In the following story,
Morning, class. Good morning. We will tackle about adjectives. Since this topic was already tackled in the previous years, we will just review about the basic concepts about it. Anyone can tell me what is adjective all about? Sir! Hey, Mr. Laba.
Adjective is a word used to describe, limit, and modify a noun or pronoun, or to give a noun or pronoun a specific meaning.
Very good, Mr. Laba. Adjective also modify and describe another person or thing. Okay, additional information?
Sir!
Okay, Mr. Manantil. Open.
Adjective also answers the questions which one and what kind and how many.
Very good, Mr. Manankil. Okay, for example, she is beautiful. Okay, in this sentence, who can tell me what adjective is used to modify the subject? Okay, Miss Dina.
In the sentence, the adjective is beautiful because it describes the quality of the pronoun she.
Thank you, Miss Dina. So now, let's discuss about the degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison, and these are the positive, the comparative, and superlative degrees. Okay, who among you can describe about these 3? Okay, Miss Gabais.
The positive degree is the simplest form of the adjective which describes a quality of a person, object, or idea, with no suggestion of comparison. The comparative degree is formed by adding the suffix er to the adjective and includes the word than, while the superlative degrees indicates most intense quality in the person, object, or idea, and formed by adding the suffix est to the simplest form of the adjective.
Very good. So, these are the examples. Class, take note that there are some cases that most adjectives of 2 or more syllables forms comparative degree, maybe the word more, superlative degree with the word most. And these are the examples. In the positive, we have powerful, and in comparative, we have more powerful. In the superlative, we have most powerful. Impressive, more impressive, most impressive. Even, more even, most even. Vigorous, more vigorous, and most vigorous. Another, we have less and least to indicate diminishing quality. And these are hopeful, less hopeful, least hopeful. Ambitious, less ambitious, and least ambitious. Fortunate, less fortunate, least fortunate. Fragrant, less fragrant, and least fragrant. A few commonly used adjectives for their degrees of comparison irregularly. And these are bad, worse, and worse. Good for the positive, better for the comparative, and best for the superlative. Little, less, least. Much, more, and most. Okay, and all of you are now refreshed. For this time, I will give you an assignment. You have to research about adverb and study about it, because I will give you a long quiz next meeting. Okay, class, and that's all for today. Class dismissed. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. Hey guys, what do you want to know first?
Yeah, what is adverb?
Okay, adverb is a word that modifies a verb an adjective, or another adverb. Examples: he spoke loudly. The loudly there is the adverb, while the verb is the spoke. So, loudly modifies the verb spoke. Another, an adverb modifying an adjective. Example: the speaker was very loud. Very is the adverb, while loud is the adjective. Very modifies the adjective loud. Last, an adverb that modifies another adverb. Example: he spoke very loudly. Okay? Loudly is an adverb, and very is another adverb. So, it means that an adverb is modified by another adverb also. Okay?
Yeah, what are the kinds of adverb?
Kinds of adverb. Okay.
Downtown, inside, up, out, down, upstairs and there. All these words are adverbs because they tell us where. Adverbs can describe a verb, they don't describe a thing.
These are the kinds of adverbs. Okay, these are the kinds of adverbs. First, we have the adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, and adverb of degree.
So, how would you define all of those?
Okay, first we have the adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how something happens. Examples: quickly, loudly, beautifully, sharply, angrily, and others. So, gets?
Okay, kuya.
What's that yan? An adverb of manner.
Adverb of manner.
Okay. How about the time?
It tells us when the action happened. Example, we have now, yesterday, today, tomorrow, recently, tonight, currently, and others. So you have to remember one thing. This adverb refers only for time from the word time. Adverb of time also has three categories of adverbs. First, we have the past tense, the present tense, and of course, the future tense. And it also answers the questions when. Now let's proceed to the adverb of frequency. It indicates approximately how many times something happens, and it also answers the question how often. Okay? Examples: always, sometimes, daily, seldom, never, often, and others. Now, let's have the adverbs of place. From the word place, tells us where an incident happens. Okay? And it also answers the question where. Example: here, anywhere. The word anywhere, everywhere, somewhere, downward, upstairs, north, south, east, and others.
It talks about place, yeah?
Yes, of course.
Okay.